Got a couple of 35's here, pretty much twins. This one I just picked up yesterday. Comes with the manual. Pretty nice. That's what everything came with when it was new, back in '57. Tells you how to even cut trees down. So, yeah. Pretty excited about that find. I just got it running. I didn't really do anything to get it running. I pulled the covers off of it and threatened to take it apart. This one I've had for, I don't know, a year or so. And it's probably the best saw I've ever seen in my life. That's why I had to buy this one. A little heavy, but this thing hasn't ran. Nice, cool muffler. It hasn't ran in probably, I don't know, 2 weeks, but it could probably sit there for a month. I'm going to shim it up here a little bit so I can't show you how this thing runs. Yeah, that's close enough. Normally this thing will start on the first pull, so if it doesn't, yeah, it's because we're on camera. Let me pump it. Get some fuel in there. Oh, my fault. Had to put the switch on. Now I flooded it.